saying, this is my journey. Diba? Kahit naman kayong mga cis people iba naman ang journey mo sa journey niya. Diba? Ibang journey mo sa journey niya. Whether it be family, personal, work, iba. So we can't, and let's stop comparing. Kasi ako to, si Jake yun, diba? Or kung sino mang trans person. Iba kami. Pareho lang kaming maliit. Pareho lang kaming may tattoo. Pareho kaming singer.
Pero at the height ng transition.
Akala ko dahil talaga.
Ni Jake and sa'yo, nag-reach out siya sa'yo? Or something
No,
like
we never. We had a show before, but after
Yes,
that,
you showed
we never had the chance to talk.
wala na.
No. Ako, I mean, I'm open. If he wants to talk to me, fine. Alam mo yun, parang, pero yeah, iba-iba ang journey. Iba ang family life, especially. Diba? So, ako, ang masasabi ko, maswerte ako because I've had a lot of support and love. And feeling ko, because of that support from the people that matter most, doon ako nagkakaroon ng mga paghubog ng desisyon para sa sarili ko, para sa pamilya ko. So, ako yun it's very important kasi ang tendency mo is kapag if you feel that the whole world is against you, you will rebel.
Pero were you surprised na ngayon mas open na as before na yung discussion about it? Were you surprised? Were you amazed?
Well, I'm just grateful that it's more open now. I mean, one of the biggest stars in the Philippines is Vice Ganda. Alam mo yun? Na before, my gosh, hindi like ako, when I came out, nung time ng pagdating ng panahon, dude, akala ko wala akong career. And that was, actually, this year, pagdating ng panahon is celebrating its 25th year. Diba? Oh, tanda na tayong lahat. So, akala ko talaga noon, parang sabi ko nung lumabas yun, hindi pa ako yung nag-out sa sarili ko I was outed. And sabi ko nung pucha, talagang timing Sabi ko, wala na to. But I was pleasantly surprised na the people enjoyed and loved the song despite them knowing that at that time I was lesbian. Sabi ko, may chance. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, pagbubutihan ko yung gagawin ko. Alam mo, pagbubutihan ko yung gawin ko para they can see beyond. Because I think normal naman sa mga tao yan, di ba? Unang panood mo, unang kita mo, laging panlabas. Pero hopefully, pag nakita nila yung loob ko, kung sino ako, malimutan nila yun.
Pero, yung lesbian, yung pagdating ng panahon, hindi siya lesbian song?
Hindi na ako sumulat nun.
Universal lang siya.
Ay, sabi mo you were outed. Hindi ka ba parang nainis, nagalit na parang the chance for you to come out was parang ninakaw sa'yo?
In hindsight, noong una syempre nainis ako, di ba? Kasi actually more than inis, I was afraid. Kasi sabi ko, akala ko, ikamamatay ng karir ko Ngayon, in hindsight, buti na lang in-out ako. Kasi ugali ko, hindi ko i-out sarili ko. Diba, parang, it's very, kahit madaldal akong ganito sa inyo, may mga bagay pa rin akong tinatago sa sarili. And feeling ko, isa yon sa mga, or siguro, madedelay siya for so long, hanggang sa mahuhuli na lang din ako. Parang, kasi ganun din naman nangyari sa magulang ko, kaya ako nag-out, nahuli ako ng tatay ko Alam mo yun? So parang, non-confrontational kasi akong tao, by nature. So, buti na lang. I mean, I'm not saying na dapat gawin niyo yun sa mga but I mean, kahit paano, in my case, I'm glad it happened. But I think things really happen for a reason.